Part A, how many atoms are in 1 mole of glucose? So 1 mole is just Avogadro's number. So let's start with 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. That's how many molecules we have in 1 mole of glucose. Because glucose is a molecule, we can't go right to atoms. We've got to go 2 moles to the molecule of glucose. That's how many molecules we have. And then we'll need a conversion factor to take us from molecules to atoms. So conversion factors are ratios of equality. So we have 6 carbons, 12 hydrogens, and 6 oxygens. So that's 12 plus 12 is 24 atoms for every 1 molecule of glucose. So let's cancel out these units that are on the top and bottom and plug this into our calculator. So Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 24. And let's get 3 significant figures in our answer. So 1.45 times 10 to the 25 atoms. For part A, now let's move on to part B. How many carbon atoms in 2 moles? So we're going to double Avogadro's number for this one. We got 2 moles. I'm not going to have room, but 2 moles of glucose is what we're dealing with. And for every 1 mole of anything, is going to have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. And carbon, there's only 6 of them, so there's 6 carbon atoms per 1 glucose molecule. And punch in our calculator. 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd times 2 times 6, 3 significant figures, 7.23. Carbon atoms. All right, part C, we're asked how many hydrogen atoms are in 3 moles. So we've got 3 moles of glucose, and in every 1 mole of glucose, we have 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecules. And in each molecule of glucose, we have 12 hydrogen atoms. Punch these numbers in. 3 times Avogadro's number times 12, because there's 12 hydrogen atoms in each molecule, 3 significant figures, going to give us 2.17 times 10 to the 25 hydrogen atoms. All right, finally, how many oxygen atoms are in 1.25 moles of glucose? Start with what you're given, 1.25 moles of glucose. Let's get rid of moles of glucose, convert that to molecules of glucose. 1 mole of anything is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Now we're asked to get the number of oxygen atoms, so that's 6 oxygen atoms for every 1 molecule of glucose. Punch, punch. 1.25 times Avogadro's number times 6. 3 significant figures, 4.52 times 10 to the 24 oxygen atoms.